Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Potassium plus water looks scary, but this one is quick. Track the products, identify the acid-base effect, and the pH answer basically reveals itself. Potassium reacts with water to make potassium hydroxide and hydrogen gas, so the key move is spotting that the liquid no longer stays pure water after reaction. Now focus on potassium hydroxide. KOH is a strong base, which means it dissociates in water and produces hydroxide ions, increasing the solution's basic character. More hydroxide ions means the pH goes above 7, so the water becomes basic after the reaction, and that points straight to option C. Well done! Option C. Scan now, don't rush signs, trust the products given, and check each step before deciding if the solution is acidic or